back. This is obviously not my workshop today. As you know from my last video, my workshop's a bit shut at the moment. It's a bit unusable, but I thought I'd do a quick video because I haven't done one for a while. And basically, during the course of decorating the house this year, I decided to do some spray snow on my front window, and basically got myself 7 cans of spray snow and had a go at doing a Christmas scene on my front window. And basically this is what I did. So I hope you enjoyed that little demonstration of how rubbish I am with spray snow. So that's it for this year. I don't think I'll be doing any more videos before Christmas. It's a couple of days till Christmas now. And I'd like to take this opportunity to say thank you very much and happy Christmas to everybody that supported me on my YouTube channel in the last year. Now obviously there's going to be some changes next year, and if anyone's got any ideas on what I could do to improve my channel, or if there's anything you like me doing, just let me know in the comments down below. I read all the comments, so please feel free to comment, and I'll take everything on board, and I'm going to do a little bit of a change of my channel, and hopefully keep everyone happy. So to everyone that supported me for the last year or so, and to all my new subscribers, I'd like to say thank you very much and a happy Christmas, and I'll see you in the new year. Bye.